Welcome to the Christmas market of Esslingen. We've got pulled pork over here and we've got stars over there. And look at these, those are coated with sugar and cinnamon. And this is all about sweets. And they do game here. But I don't know why is this dead squirrel here. No idea. Here we've got the famous German ravioli. Want some pizza? And this is all about wood. Carving wood. I think it's olive wood, isn't it? I know somebody who can carve this. What about some candles? And here we have funny pottery. And look at those beauties. They are baked in steam and have a jam filling. Oh, and the sun is coming out. You get some bread out of the fire. And now we make a time jump from now to the Middle Age. Yeah! Now this is not so glamorous anymore. It's all about 500 years ago. Look at that. And they do cook with herbs, don't they? It's all so sweet. Also do cinnamon rolls. Look at that. And we've got spätzle. And this is made out of apples. See? They are baked over there and then you get these crispy apple fritters. And for the cold nights in the winter of the Middle Ages, some sheep. And have some mistletoes. Have some kiss under the mistletoe. Look, he's doing it by hand and work. They're all dressed up. So, bye bye from Esslingen.